Today's lesson is on polynomial functions. We've been dealing with polynomial expressions, and now we're getting into functions. And today it's just about evaluating them. And there's kind of different ways we can do this. So it starts pretty basic. If you have a polynomial f of x, and it equals x to the fourth minus 2x to the third plus 7. Function notation, what is f of negative 4? That just means plug in negative 4 for x. So you have to be careful. Negative 4 inside parentheses to the power of 4. Minus 2 inside parentheses negative 4. On the outside is your exponent plus 7. So if you're using your calculator, you have to be careful because an even exponent will make this go positive. It'll go to positive 256 minus 2. This odd exponent, it will stay negative. This goes to negative 64 plus 7. So when I have these two numbers, what I like to do is add the opposite. And now multiply two negatives are going to make a positive. So 256 plus, this goes to 128 plus 7. And all together is 391. Okay, one more example of that same idea. F of x equals negative x to the third plus 3x squared minus 4x plus 1. Be careful with a negative in front. We're going to find f of 3. So what that means is this negative is going to stay out in front. I'm plugging a positive 3 into parentheses to the third power plus 3. And then 3 squared minus 4 times 3 plus 1. So this is all positive. That's 27, but then the negative out in front. So negative 27 plus 3 times 9 minus 12 plus 1. Well, this is going to be 27. And negative 27 plus 27 will cancel. So I'm left with negative 12 plus 1 is negative 11. Okay, so now, starting with polynomials, but when we're evaluating them, we're going to substitute an expression in. So f of x equals 5x to the third plus 7x minus 14. Evaluate f of 3a to the fourth. So really, we're just replacing all of our x's with 3a to the fourth. So 5, and then in parentheses, 3a to the fourth cubed plus 7 times 3a to the fourth minus 14. So now it's about order of operations and properties of exponents. This first term, we have to deal with that exponent first. So this is 5, and then inside 3 to the third power is 27. Power to a power multiply your exponents plus, okay, I don't have a power out here. So really this is just 7 times 3, so 21a to the fourth minus 14. And then here we can just multiply those coefficients, which is 135 a to the 12th plus, whoopsies, 21 a to the fourth minus 14. All right, so another of this type, f of x equals negative 2x squared plus 15. And we will evaluate f of x plus 3. So I'm putting a binomial into x. So negative 2 in parentheses x plus 3 squared plus 15. Squaring anything means multiply by itself. You cannot distribute this in because of that addition right there. So negative 2, this is x plus 3 times x plus 3 plus 15. So negative 2, FOIL this, x squared plus 6x plus 9. Then you can distribute the negative 2 in. Negative 2x squared minus 12x minus 18 plus 15. Combine like terms. So that would be minus 3. Okay, so the next thing is kind of cool. It is called the remainder theorem, and it's another method for evaluating polynomials. So it starts out looking just like our beginning problem. So here I have a polynomial, 3x to the 5th minus 2x to the 4th plus 7x minus 2, and I want to find f of 4. So instead of plugging in 4, another method is we can do synthetic division with using 4, and the remainder is the answer. So let's try it. So 4, to set up synthetic division, we've got our coefficients, 3, negative 2, I'm missing 2 terms, 0, 0, 7, and then negative 2. Okay, let's see what happens. Okay, 3, multiply. So 4 times 3 is 12, then add to get 10, multiply 40, add 40, multiply 160, add 160. 4 times 160 is 640. Add to get 647. Multiply by 4 and you'll get 2,588. And then add 2,000 and you'll have 586. Your remainder is the answer to this. If you plugged in 4 for x, you will get 2,586. Okay, so let's just do that one more time. Last example of the video, f of x equals 17x to the 3rd minus 12x squared plus 5x plus 21, and I'm going to find f of negative 1. So I'm going to do synthetic division with negative 1. Here are my coefficients, no terms are missing. So 17, negative 12, 5, and 21. All right, bring down 17, multiply, so negative 17, add negative 29, multiply positive 29, add 34, multiply negative 34, add negative 13. So the remainder is the answer here. So there is your full video on evaluating polynomial functions. Good luck.